Hi everyone, on today's video I will be showing you how you can adjust the center back to accommodate your hook and eye. I have a hook and eye here with 3 and 3, and this is 5.7. So the snowflake pattern was designed to accommodate this specific hook and eye. But I know that sometimes the hook and eye that you may have at home is not the same measurement. So I'm gonna help you redraw this back here so that you can adjust to your own hook and eye. However, in this pattern, I don't recommend going to a smaller hook and eye, like 2 hooks, because this is a strapless. I mean, you can use this with straps, but this is meant to be a balconette bra and you can do it without straps. And if you reduce this a lot, it will lose a lot of stability that you need for the strapless. So I will show you, for instance, if instead of a 5.7 you want to do 6 or 6.1, I'm going to show you how to make it a little bit bigger. Let's start. Grab your back band, and you don't need to have this one. This is just an example. I have here my back band, and this is the center of my back band. And so I'm going to find the middle, and I'm going to mark, and I'm going to do a perpendicular line to this one here. I am marking the middle of my pattern, so never mind the seam allowances. I will in a minute cut them out so it doesn't make any confusion, but you can cut them in the beginning if you prefer to. And then find the middle of your points and mark the perpendicular line I have just mentioned. And that line will be the reference for you to mark half of your new hook and eye upwards and the same measurement downwards. And then you will have your new edges of your back band, the upper edge and the lower edge. But let me remove the seam allowance, and then I'm gonna redraft, placing a paper under my back bands so I can make it bigger. Now just place your ruler and mark the new position, the new limits of your hook and eye. In this case, it's slightly bigger than the one I had before, so I'm marking the same distance horizontal line upwards and downwards, and then I do the vertical line that I had there before. Once that is done, you just need to redraft your upper seam, your upper edge of the pattern and the lower edge of the pattern, so remake the curve or the straight line that you have, and this will become your new upper edge of your back bands and the lower edge of your back bands. Then you just need to add the seam allowances again. Don't forget that if you want to add seam allowances according to an elastic width that you have at home, we also have a video for that. It is this simple. Now you just need to add your seam allowances on the top